Setting the pace, setting standards, pioneering the Indian sailing industry. Say hello to Aquasail. The leisure boating company that has brought world-class sailing to Indian shores. Leisure and lifestyle sailing, powerful corporate training, engaging regattas and networking events, yacht purchase advisory, cruising charters, global sailing holidays, marinas and more. Welcome to the Aquasail Yachting Academy. Learn to sail a sports yacht or a dinghy, power across the harbour, master the art of windsurfing, or discover the joy of coastal cruising with family and friends. At our popular Splash program, it's food, fun, music, games and lots of sailing. Just what you need for a quick getaway from Mumbai. Aboard our world-class yachts, simple events like birthdays and anniversaries turn unique and momentous. Just celebrate in style. Unlock the power of sailing to make your corporate training programs more effective. Racing teaches teamwork, trust, strategic thinking and more. For high net worth clients, nothing can be more rewarding than a day out on a yacht or a catamaran. Luxury, style and sheer opulence. Exhilarating and unforgettable. Aquasail Regattas enable corporate India to network, to engage, to build brands. Explore sailing holidays at some of the world's best sailing holiday destinations, brought to you by Aquasail. Charter your own boat. Join a flotilla of magnificent yachts and catamarans as you go island hopping in 5-star comfort. Nestling amongst the sylvan surroundings of Mandwa Beach is Aquasail's Club Select. Members can walk in, choose their boat, go sailing and relax at the club's premises. Enjoy sailing without the hassle of owning your own boat with Aquatime, a timeshare facility across a range of luxurious yachts. Or indulge your dreams at a fraction of the cost with Aquasail's Fractional Ownership scheme. Aquasail Advisory helps you select the yacht that is just right for you. Aquasail products adhere to the highest international standards of safety, backed by a team that is extremely skilled. Shakil Kudroli, a yachtsman who has achieved excellence in the sport of sailing, brings vision, passion and deep expertise to Aquasail. Since Aquasail's inception, the harbours of Mumbai have thousands of men, women and children ride the waves and experience the joy of sailing. For some, it's the sport. For others, it's the passion. For Aquasail, it's just the beginning.